I love this. This is my favorite kind of fishing, actually. It's really fun because smallmouth are really aggressive too. So they'll come up and hit your lure like that, but they'll fight really hard when you hook into them. I cannot believe he hit that right there. I mean, he literally hit it right there.
Yeah.
Hit a bird nest? If you can't get it, I will help you. Make sure you put pressure on it too. Like whenever you're putting the line back in. Otherwise it'll go on loose. You can hold it like right here.
Okay.
There we go. Oh, it's down there, isn't it? I'm also running a top water. So hopefully we can get some blowouts today. Smallest fish I ever caught here, 1 pound, 3 ounces, I think. I'm gonna be doing this a lot too, don't worry. Okay, you're good to go. Man, I wish I was recording when you got that. I mean, that was literally right in front of you.
I know.
Look at you, little fisherman already. Come on, hit it. That's the only problem with top waters. Oh, it's got a leaf on it, I think. Yeah, that's the only problem with using these lures is like, if you get one bite, you're lucky to get another one on that same fish. On the same fish, I mean, yeah, when we go up here, it'll be a little better. Figured there'd be one over there on that bank. We'll stay here for like another 5 minutes. If we don't get anything, we'll go ahead and move up. Welcome to fall fishing. It sucks. Come on, buddy. If you ever need help, you just let me know, honestly. You're already 5 times better than I was when I first started using that thing. Okay, I say we give it like 2 more casts and then we'll go ahead and move up. Oh yeah, I don't know if I asked you, do you mind being on YouTube? Awesome. That's the best response you could have given me.
You have a YouTube channel?
Yeah, I got 1,200 subs. Awesome. Story of today is gonna be picking grass and leaves off my lure.
Yep, pretty much.
All right, let's head on up. This place looks really good right now, actually. There might be some bigger ones in here today. I'm only standing right here so I can get your hook set on camera. It's gonna happen, okay? It's gonna happen. Okay, if they're not there, that's fine. Let's work our way up just a little bit and cast along this whole bank. It should be good. I would come this way a little bit too. It gets a little deep over there. I know, especially this being your first time here doing this, and it has to be like this. I thought it was gonna be nice and chill. I just wanted something that would be easy to do. Yeah, actually give it a cast from here. Just cast up that way if you can, and let it come back down here. I'm gonna cast over there. It feels really good outside though, I will say that. Like, it does actually feel really good right now. It's not too hot, it's not too cool. Yeah, you just keep pulling it. Keep pulling it until you don't see any loose line left. It's gonna be the time I hook into a fish and we get tangled up. Does it feel like it has weight to it right now?
Yeah.
Okay, you can go ahead and you don't have to put any pressure on it then. That's your lure down there. Good luck finding it though. Oh, there it is. Come on, baby, hit it. I want you to catch one so bad. I really do. Also, you'll have to ignore me giving commentary because I will have to do it at some point. Come on. Fall fishing, baby. Let's go. That's good. That's a good spot. All right, let's go ahead and move up. Lame, stupid fish. Hey, that's a good spot. Doesn't matter that you airmailed it. Okay, I put it right in that spot. If I don't get a fish, I'm gonna be upset. Oh, that one's kind of weird. That one's a little bit messed up. Sometimes it will do that. If it does do that, just push the button up with your thumb. Look at you. Good old grass cart, baby. It would get set right in the hook. Okay, you're good to go. Okay. My lure's downstream. My lure's somewhere way down there. Oh, nope, it's right there. Okay, good. About 3 days ago, I was fishing and I bird nested just like that and caught a fish on it. Yes, it was insane. There's so, it's only a matter of time at this point. It's gonna happen.
Right, my odds are getting better and better as the night goes on, right?
It is. Oh, stop. The bird nest again.
It's also like around me, so.
Oh, I see that. It's okay. I just have to keep an eye on it whenever it starts coming back up. Come on, baby. I swear I can hear it. Oh yeah, there it is. What's up, buddy? Thanks for coming back and joining the party.
Okay.
All I can see you is out of the corner of my eye. You're just falling over there. Sometimes you can feel it. If you ever do feel it, like a leaf or something messing up your action, just go ahead and bring it back in because fish aren't gonna hit it if there's a leaf on it. Oh my gosh, that was about 2 inches from landing in that. Like, how is there not a fish right there? No, did you see the water, or see if I could talk, that'd be sick. But did you see the water at the riverfront?
No.
Oh, it's a lot worse than this. And the big ones will sit in that. I'm guaranteeing there's probably about a 2-pound fish somewhere in here. I still don't say, hey. I know that actually is gonna be kind of hard to see because I can't even see it. And I do this all the time. All right, let's go ahead and work up. They're not one to hit here. Put it up a little bit further so when it comes down the current, it doesn't get stuck in this.
Okay.
So like maybe up there to the left a little more. There you go, that was perfect. Now reel really fast. Come on, you monster. I know you're in here somewhere. He will hit that. Awesome.
Yes!
Oh, it's stuck on that stupid leaf that fell off. Dang it. And it bird nested me. I know I would hit the only leaf hanging from that limb. Look at you. Mine's bigger though, so.
You want a whale?
I guarantee. Oh, it came off.
Heck yeah. Doesn't actually count.
I got it. Good cast.
Oh,
Oh. It looked really good.
that's what happened to me a second ago. Okay. I'm just gonna tear the whole entire thing off.
It'll keep going too. Oh God, that's terrible. Oh, hey, there we go. Now it's good.
Whoa.
Oh, no, almost there.
There we go.
Yes,
Yeah?
perfect.
Well,
Oh, it's gonna be way down there somewhere.
yeah.
Oh, I'm about done with all these leaves.
Scaring you?
Yes. I don't like things touching me when I'm in the water. It freaks me out. I don't mind.
I'm stuck.
Oh, okay. Here, hold this. No.
got
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay. Ah, it's probably that tree, honestly. That tree's about right where your lure should be. Oh yeah, I can see your lure. I think it's right there. Is it hung again? You have a fish? Oh, you have a fish? She has a giant fish. Oh my God. What? Keep your rod tip high. Keep your rod tip high. That thing is huge.
Oh my God.
Keep pressure on
I
it.
think I can get it in.
Come over here too. Come over here too. Oh my God, that thing is huge. What? What?
Oh my God.
I can't believe that. She caught it on a bird nest. What is going on? Okay, okay. You still got him?
I think.
Okay, okay. Here, hold this and
Yeah.
I'm gonna pull him in. Dude.
I freaking caught that.
What a legend.
Heck yes.
Look at that, boys. Look at that. Are you kidding me?
Oh, heck yeah.
I gotta take a picture.
Okay.
Hold that. Wow. That is the craziest thing. That's a little chunk. We're gonna have to weigh that one. That one's good. I'm gonna guess he's probably like a 1.6. Dang, what even just happened? She just bird nested. My mind is blown right now. That's so cool. I'll take a picture of you holding them too once we get them off the hook. I'm dying, that's so cool. Wow. That's great. I'll take them off the hook for you. That is so crazy. I cannot believe you just did that. All right, if you'll hold that.
Okay.
Wow. I'm still recording, thank God. That is the craziest thing ever. You, look at this chunk. What a toad. Do not thrash. Oh, that was about, ooh, I was scared for a second. Thought I was about to get a hook in the hand. I got rusty pliers, unfortunately. Wow.
Heck yeah.
All right,
Okay.
you wanna hold them?
Yeah, I do. If I can. Okay. Oh, don't you dare. Don't
You got it?
dare. Yeah.
There we go. Let me keep this off of you so you don't get hooked. Take a look at this freaking chunk. Are you kidding me? That is insane. Man, I'm dying. I'm just all over the place right now. That was so cool. You can give him some water. You got a good grip on him?
No.
Oh, there you go. Put your thumb in its mouth just a little bit further. Ooh, I would do it fast. He's about to thrash.
Just let him. It's fine.
You sure?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
No,
He's
fine.
okay.
It's fine.
You sure?
I don't want to hurt him.
You won't hurt him. Trust me.
It's okay. Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. If you'll hold the backpack then, I will.
I'm a little bit of an animal lover. Okay?
Oh, I am too.
I don't want to hurt him.
Hey, buddy, calm down. Calm down. It's okay. I know. Open your mouth.
There you go.
Wow. What a chunk. First fish of the day. And what a pretty fish, too. Man. I love smallmouth. They are so pretty. All right, big guy. We'll see you later, buddy. Wow. That is so cool. Congratulations.
Yes, that's the first
I told
fish
you.
I've
What did I
ever
tell?
caught.
I told you.
Like this anyway.
That is so crazy. On a bird nest, too. You thought you were hung.
Well, I was
I can understand why though. I've had that happen a few times.
Well, I kind of thought I was, but then I was like, wait a second, like that feels a little. Okay, so
I can't believe that.
it's alright. I'm just gonna catch another one. So I can...
Yeah, exactly. You gotta one up me again. Jeez, that is so cool. I got it. I got it. Let's go. I finally got one for falling in. Yes, boys, fucking look at this. Look at this tank. We haven't weighed him yet, but I almost guarantee this is my new PB. He looks way better. Oh,
Sponsor us, Chase Baits.
sponsor us, Chase Baits. Look what I can catch on a Chapo, dude. Imagine what I can do with, I don't know, a smuggler. But look at this tank, man. I mean,
Beautiful.
these smallmouth, these big ones, look at the coloration. Come right here. Get it in the sun. Oh my God, that looks beautiful.
Those gloves.
Oh, I know, check the gloves, baby. Check the gloves. All right,
Say
let's
we
get a
put 'em
release
in.
video. One last look at this chunk, man. God, what a fish. All right, buddy. All right, buddy. We'll see you later, big guy. His needle teeth are stuck on my glove. See you later, buddy. Oh my God, give it to me, dude. Woo! Let's go, baby. Dude, this thing looks insane. Oh. It felt just like a bite. I hope it was weeds. Okay, it was, thank God. All right, guys, it's a new day. And today, as you can see, we're rocking a new pole and a new lure. We are doing a little bit of pike fishing. We know there are some walleye and bass in here, but I want to catch a pike. So the tackle of choice is going to be an 8-inch Musky Swimbait. Now, if I knew the full deets on this pole, I would go ahead and tell them, but I'm just putting it on screen or something. I'll figure it out. We just came off a light rain, so we're thinking our chances are going to be pretty good here. We're at a place called Hidden Valley, and we're right next to the dam. This is where we've heard all the pike are. Right now, Clay's throwing a shiner. Like I said, I'm working the Musky Swimbait. So I hope you guys enjoyed the first portion of this video, but the last little bit is gonna be pike, and hopefully we can get one. Don't even care if it's a small one. I've never caught anything except for bass, really, and walleye. So I'm hoping we do pretty good. Clay picks up the first fish of the day. It's a little pike. It's a pike.
Oh my God! Holy shit!
Wow.
That is a gorgeous fish, dude.
Take a look at that.
Holy hell!
Beautiful. And Clay picks up the first pike of the day. It literally hit it instantly. As soon as it hit the water. Wow, what a fish, man.
He drilled it. How do you haul pike?
Okay, so
In their
you,
gills or just like that?
no, in their gills. Check out these teeth. Oh my God, that's so cool. I've never seen a pike, but they are a beautiful animal, man. Well, Clay's made the episode 10 times better already just by catching a pike. Oh yeah. Look at that. Look at that. He looks so good. All right, guys, let's get a release video of this guy. Yo, come over here. Well, and there he goes. Wow, that was cool as shit. Dude, first pike ever. Let's go, lay it on me. That was sick. Clay has another pike. Okay, give me 2 seconds. Let me get the Swimbait back in, dude. They were not kidding about pike being lit up in here. That was literally 2 casts after he caught that one. You know what that sounds like.
Look at the shiner still in his mouth.
What? That's so cool. He's still got the shiner in his mouth.
Look at that.
That is so
You gotta
crazy.
get a picture of that for me.
What a beast. Yes, I'll get a picture with the shiner in its mouth. Clay has another fish. Oh my God. Is that a pike?
I don't know.
That's a good bass though. You want me to go down there and get it for you? That's a catfish.
What the f?
Huh.
Oh, what?
Clay just caught a catfish on a shiner. Multi-species challenge 2.0, baby.
Damn.
Look
bro.
at that. This little guy wanted it. See you later, buddy. It's not catching catfish if you don't hear that stupid little noise they make. And look who picks up another fish today.
Damn.
Fish number 4 for Clay, hooked right in the bottom lip, is a
Yeah,
nice
bad boy.
little largie. Probably just shy of a pound. Look at that.
Yeah.
Giant, and he's got his fins up. Take a look at that mouth, baby. You gotta love catching fish, man. But it's getting pretty dark, guys. Fortunately, I have yet to catch a monster on this thing. Clay has been the only one catching fish today, but it's probably because I'm throwing an 8-inch swim bait, but I don't care. I want that monster. That monster pike is all I'm searching for. They say muskie are the fish of 10,000 casts. Northern pike seem to be holding up to the same reputation. Not for Clay, of course, but, but we just came off some light rain again. I don't know how the fish aren't more active. Unless they're on the other bank, which I kind of suspect they are, or back in the corners that we can't reach by waiting or anything like that. This is when I figured the golden hour would be. This is right before it gets completely dark. So we're gonna stay here for like another 10 minutes, maybe. I'm just gonna be sitting here throwing this. Hopefully we can get something before we go. Man, this thing looks so good. I'm surprised I haven't gotten a bite all day. I don't know if that's rain. Nope, that's rain. All right, well, boys, I think it's wrapping up right now. I'm gonna give it one more. This is the last cast of the day. Oh God, it's about to come down. Watch me hook into it. Watch me hook into it right now when it's pouring down. But that's a no-go, and we are headed back to the car. And if you guys enjoyed this episode, be sure to hit the like button below, comment, rate, subscribe, do what you guys do, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Boys, Noah just got the hookup. Let's go.
Baby.
Let's go. Oh my God, that's a tank, dude. That's a fucking tank. Jesus.
Let's go.
Dude, that is a fucking tank. He's hooked.